Today I'm on the outskirts of the city of Guarda. Today we will film at 3 different locations: the Real Owl viewpoint, the Cauldron Dam and the windmills. And we will start right away at the Real Owl viewpoint. Now, when it comes to filming good drone videos, it is always about location, location, location. I mean, just look at this view. There's really nothing much I can do to make this view even better. So, for the first shot, I am simply going to move forward into the valley. On second thought, let me just get a little closer to that rock to get a little bit of parallax effect in the shot. Let me just frame the image properly first. Okay, looks good. And now just move forward. This view is just breathtaking. Let's now get to our second spot, the Cauldron Dam. Once again, there's little to no drone maneuver that I could do here to make this view even better. So I am going to once again stick to the basics. I will start by moving forwards, close to the water, and halfway through transition into a move where I am moving forwards and up while tilting the gimbal down. Next, let's do a fly-through shot by flying through these trees to reveal the lake at the end. For this, I am going to simply move in front and adjust the course of the drone as necessary, even so slightly. Next, let's see if we can capture some moving cars on that bridge. For this, I am going to position the drone above the bridge with the gimbal pointing down, and when a car is passing through the frame, I will just follow it by moving left. Let's frame the bridge properly. And now we wait until a car comes. Okay, not bad. That was the easy version, where we didn't match the speed of the car. Let's do another one, but this time by moving forwards and matching the speed of the car. Nice. Let's next do a revealing shot of the lake from behind this abandoned house before we move to our next location. For this, I am going to move forward and up at the same time. Let's just move back a little to have more runway. And now just move forwards and up. Sorry guys, I had to stop here to do another revealing shot of the lake. This time we will fly in front and up while rotating the gimbal down. So we have finally arrived at our third and last location near the city of Guarda. What you are seeing right now is not what we came here for, but I have a video coming out soon where I will film the tower and the cathedral that you can see at the top of the hill. So make sure to subscribe to don't miss that video. But let's keep going with the tutorial and get some shots of these windmills. For the first shot, I will start close to the ground and slowly move the drone forward, right and up, to show the landscape behind the windmills. Perfect. And now, for our final shot, we are going to orbit around the windmills by simply moving right and rotating left. Let's now see an edited version of what we recorded today.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.